Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at a feature-packed, extra-large countertop oven designed for families and anyone who wants fast, efficient, oil-free cooking, the OSTBA French door air fryer toaster oven combo. This 10-in-1 stainless steel convection system delivers 30% faster cooking and up to 90% less oil, all while giving you a premium French door design and a huge interior that can handle nearly any meal. Right away, the French door build stands out. It opens smoothly with one pull, making it easy to place baking trays, pizzas, chicken, and sheet pans inside without juggling heavy doors. The stainless steel construction feels solid, durable, and modern enough to match any kitchen setup. Inside, the extra-large capacity is impressive. Whether you're preparing a full chicken, multiple batches of fries, a 12-13-inch pizza, vegetables, or multi-layer meals, this oven has the space to support daily cooking or hosting guests. It's engineered for households that want versatility without needing multiple appliances. The 10-in-1 cooking system gives you air fry, bake, broil, toast, roast, warm, reheat, dehydrator mode, and more. Each mode uses powerful convection airflow to deliver quick, even cooking across every rack. The 30% faster speed means dinner hits the table quicker, while the 90% less oil promise gives you healthier results without sacrificing crispiness or flavor. One major advantage is the included 102 recipe cookbook, which gives you guided ideas for snacks, meals, pastries, and roasted dishes tailored to this oven's performance. That's super helpful for beginners or anyone wanting to explore what this unit can really do. OSTBA also includes 7 accessories to maximize versatility: baking pan, air fry basket, crumb tray, oven rack, rotisserie tools, and more. For multifunction use, these accessories make switching modes incredibly convenient. The control interface is straightforward, with clear markings, simple preset buttons, and responsive temperature and time controls. Even new users can navigate it easily. If you want a stainless steel, extra-large, ultra-versatile oven that cooks fast, uses less oil, and gives you the smooth convenience of French doors, the OSTBA French door air fryer toaster oven combo is definitely worth considering. If you want to grab one, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow GadgetVerse for more high-quality product reviews.